today we're here at NAIA Terminal 3, Cebu Pacific. So, sad to say, vacation is over and we're going back to Abu Dhabi na. Ayan, sila nanay at tatay at si Eken at ang dalawang bata ang naghatid sa amin. Nakakalungkot man, pero back to reality na po. Ayan. And first time po namin magta-travel na tatlo lang kaming mag-ina. So ako, si Iya, at si Alex lang. And we're flying via Cebu Pacific Air. So guys, let's check it out. Tingnan natin kung dahil first time, hopefully, we will have a safe flight. Ayan. First time kung ako lang mag-isa ang kasama ng mga bata. So, guys, dinidyo namin gaano kami ka-comfortable naman na nakapag-travel ng 8 hours flight via Cebu Pacific Air going from Manila to Dubai. And then, antayin na lang natin ang pagsubutan ni Tita J at ni Daddy. So, guys, enjoy watching our video and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. Iya and Alex. Bye. Thank you.
It's 2:30 lang. Yeah? Hi. Oh, go back. Go. Hi guys, boarding na kami. Ayan. First time namin magsi-Cebu Pacific. So let's check the airline. Let's check how will it be. How to... Yan, ayan yung aeroplano sasakyan namin. You hold the passport, ha? Oh, you say hi. Ayun yata yung aeroplano. Yan, syempre dahil may mga junakis at mga bata, priority sa boarding. Ayan. O sige, and also the mga seniors. So lahat ng may anak, may mga bata at seniors, priority sa boarding. O sige, you go. Here ate, 22 there. Yeah. 17, 18, 19, so there. We'll check.
Pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head.
kaming donut. So, kumain siya ng donut. And si Alex. Ako, naubos ko na yung baon na red ribbon na antag dito in Saimano. You find your daddy and Tita J there. You cannot find pa them? Not there, maybe sitting there. Sorry, they are not here. Ay, there, oh, I found. Who's that? Really? Ay, oh, Tita J pa pala. Oh, it's there, oh. Hi, Daddy. How are you?
Mr. Derek, hindi ka napagod?
Oh, saan tayo? Tara na. Kasi baka malate tayo.